Hey kids, welcome! Before I start the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I put a new video every single Friday and the video is always super fun and colorful. Also, click the bell down below so you receive notifications every time I post a video. And sometimes I upload bonus videos throughout the week. Today, I'm going to be unboxing some little pet shop toys. So for example, I have this pack. Okay, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toys. And I have one My Little Pony toy. And this one is a teacher, just like me. Alright, so without further ado, let's go right into the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start unboxing this one. I think it's a camel. The number is 199 and the line is Pets in the City. Alright, so this is the camel and I'm going to open it. Okay, this camel comes with a little bottle of water here. It's super cute. Oops. Here's the bottle of water. It's really tiny. Okay, so here's the camel, guys. And I think it's really cool how the camel comes with a bottle of water. Right? So this is a camel. Let's leave the camel here with the bottle of water. Do you remember, guys? This is a camel. Camels live in the desert and they don't need that much water. That's why it's really funny that it comes with a bottle of water here. Alright, let's go to the next toy. The next toy that I have is actually a pack of 2. Alright, so they're number 212, which is this baby lion, and number 213, which is this baby monkey. Oh, and they're also from the line Pets in the City. Alright, so let's open them. Alright guys, so here they are. Here's the baby lion. And here's the monkey, the baby monkey. And they come with little accessories, like these stickers. It's a baby lion, a little ball, and the baby monkey. And with these pins. Let's remember, this is a lion, a baby lion. Baby lions live in the jungle. And this is a baby monkey. Look how cute he is. So baby monkeys also live in the jungle. They love bananas. So let's go to the next animal. So the next pet that I have here, it's this one. And at first I was kind of confused with what this animal was, but then I looked it up online, I googled it, and I saw it was a chipmunk, and I thought it was really cute. So let's open this chipmunk. Oh, before I open it, this is number 3957. Okay guys, so this is the chipmunk. Alright, it's really cute and it has a super cute head. Alright, and it comes with an accessory too, which I think is super cool. It's a little hat, it's like a cowboy hat, a purple and yellow cowboy hat. And you pin the hat right here. Okay. And that's it. Super cute chipmunk. I think this is my favorite one. Super cute. Hey guys, this is a chipmunk. Right? And they also live in the forest or in the jungle, and they love nuts. Have you ever seen Alvin and the Chipmunks? I love that movie. Okay guys, now I have something really special. I have a pack of 6 latest pet shop toys. We have a dog. This is a Beagle dog. I have a cat with a super long tail. I have a rabbit. I'm not sure if this is a rabbit or a hare. Here I have a pufferfish, a pink pufferfish. Here I have a bird. And here I have a caterpillar. Do you remember the caterpillar story that I told 2 weeks ago? It was the very hungry caterpillar and it turned into a beautiful butterfly. If you haven't seen this video, I'm gonna put the link down below so you can check it out. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, so first we have this super cute Beagle dog. So the Beagle dogs are really cute pets. Do you have a Beagle dog? Leave in the comments down below if you have one. Okay. So this is a Beagle dog. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one is a cat. Do you have a cat? Leave in the comments down below if you have a cat. Right? It has a super long tail. If you have a cat, is the tail long or short? Tell me. Okay, so this is a cat. Now I have this super cute rabbit. Right? Do you have a rabbit in your house? When I was little, my sister had a rabbit and it was super fun to have one. Do you have one? Leave in the comments down below. Okay. This is a rabbit. So the next one is a pufferfish. Do you have a pufferfish? Alright guys, so this is a pufferfish. The next one is a bird. Have you got a bird in your house? Also, leave in the comments down below. Don't forget to tell me. It has a pink beak and green feathers and blue eyes, big blue eyes. This is a bird. Do you remember the caterpillar story? So this is a latest pet shop caterpillar toy. It's green. And do you remember caterpillars turning to butterflies? So this caterpillar is going to turn into a beautiful butterfly. Let's put it here. Okay, everyone, this is a caterpillar. Okay guys, now I have this My Little Pony toy and it's pink and it's a teacher. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the box. So yeah, it says that this pony is actually a teacher. Can you see that? Yes. So this is a teacher. Okay. So it even comes with a board. Can you see the board? Okay, so this is the pony. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. This is the board that it comes with. Okay guys, so this is the pony. It's super fabulous. It has really pretty long hair and a super long tail. This pony comes with a stick that she uses to teach. And she also comes with this board. This is the pony. Ponies live in farms. They are tiny little horses that kids can ride. Have you ever ridden a pony? Leave in the comments below. So let's revise all the animals. Here we have the camel, the rabbit, the baby lion, the puffer fish, the baby monkey, the bird, the chipmunk, the caterpillar, the dog, the cat, and the big pony. Right, let's remember she's a teacher too. Today. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment down below saying if you like this kind of video or if you prefer storytelling or just teaching videos like I did last week. Also give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. See you next week for a brand new video. Bye!